to connect your Xiaomi 15 Ultra with a car, we can simply go to settings, choose more connectivity options, and then over here if you scroll down you should be able to find Android Auto. This is the app that we use in order to connect your smartphone with a car. So now over here you should be able to find connect a vehicle button. But in addition to that, if you scroll down you have a bunch of different options, so remember that you can customize it a little bit as well. Once you are ready to connect, press connect a vehicle or a car, and then you should be able to use the USB cable and connect your phone through the USB cable to your car if you can. You might also want to use the wireless method, so if your car supports wireless method, then you can choose connect using wireless Android Auto. And then we have additional instructions, so we need to press and hold the voice command button to begin setup. We can also choose to connect through Bluetooth, so if you press connect using Bluetooth, then we can choose pair a vehicle at the bottom, and here you should be able to find your car selected and pair your car on your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!